So one of the values I see in the workshop you're offering is that this is an opportunity to kind of brush up on the skills that you don't get to use very often, are critically important. We have this complicated environment where we're interconnecting more and more networks, and so we have to have policies that ensure that we're using the networks as intended, and at the same time, it may be a year or more between establishing a BGP policy and making any changes to it. And so any opportunity to attend a workshop where people get to refresh their skills, it's kind of like flying an airplane. If you don't fly an airplane for a few months, you have to go in and get rechecked out. And I sort of see what you're doing is helping people refresh their skills because they just don't have a regular opportunity to use them.
During the workshop, we'll be going over what makes a good route policy for the edge of your network, both route policy facing your upstream providers and facing the downstream participants in your network. And a lot of network engineers find that challenging to develop a policy. And so my goal is to provide kind of a recipe or a template that networks can use to properly tag their routes, select the right routes to send to each of their eBGP neighbors, and very importantly, how to prioritize their routes so that they're making best use of the Internet 2 research network.
So one way we imagine attendees will benefit from this workshop is being exposed to some of the routing security features Aaron offers, such as hosted RPKI ROAs. So during the workshop, we'll explain the benefits of creating ROAs, and we'll also show how you create a ROA and try to answer their questions about how to prepare to create a ROA, what you need to go through with Aaron, and showing them using the Aaron portal, exactly how it's done. This year, where if you have these, what are called legacy addresses that were assigned before Aaron existed, if you enter into an agreement with Aaron this year, it allows you to lock in substantially lower rates for that service. In fact, it's less than $200 a year for the service, and it gets locked into not increasing much per year. And if you wait until next year to enter into those agreements, they can cost 20 to 40 times as much.